the evaluate task from the process of erosion folder. This means that you have already completed the elaborate task and it has been graded by me, and you know exactly what your project is going to be. So we're going to read this together. You need, one, your project proposal from the elaborate task. I'll have graded it, but there should be a copy for you as well. Material list for your project. We went over this in the plate tectonics video, but in order to make yourself a project list, if you want to go back and look at that video, you can, but you're just going to create yourself a Google document and create a project list for yourself and just list all the materials that you need. Then you can go out and secure the materials for your project. Again, we're in some situations right here where we're not able to get out and get a lot of things. So don't go out unnecessarily. Use stuff that is at home. There's plenty of stuff for this project, especially that you can use at home to demonstrate your knowledge of how erosion works. You're also going to need your Chromebook or another device like a cell phone to do the recording of your explanation. You're going to need the time. Okay, somebody talked about that in the last one. Difficulties was time management, so make sure you have enough time to do this. And then motivation, you got to be motivated. If you're not motivated to do this, you don't want to do it, it's going to be very difficult for you. The first thing that you need to do is you need to build your model, okay, to elaborate on the process of erosion. Then you need to label the parts of your model. What type of erosion are you showing? Okay, so are you showing erosion caused by wind? Okay, are you showing deflation? Are you showing abrasion? What type of erosion weathering are you showing? What is the result of that erosion? So when the erosion occurs, what's actually happening from the erosion? And then how does it occur? So how does it occur? Show us what the process looks like. Okay. Then you're going to record a video or sound presentation, 2 minutes maximum, or plus or minus 30 seconds, okay, that describes these three aspects of your project. What type of erosion are you modeling? What happens when this type of erosion occurs? Why does it happen? And then what was the most difficult part of creating this project? So some people left out this part in their explanation. Please make sure that you have this part. Then post a picture of the model and the recorded presentation to the discussion. Last time, I don't remember anybody except nobody actually doing this part. Please remember to do this part. Then find another student's work and write a comment using complete sentences that answers one of the following questions. How accurate is the student's work? Explain what they got right or what you think they got wrong. 2, how visually pleasing is the model? Is this something that looks well put together? 3, do you have any questions for the student? Is there something in the student's work that you want to know more about? Because maybe they can tell you if you ask. So make sure to do this part.